How to make money in Ghana. After watching this video, you will start making 3,400 Ghana cedis per each day. A quick disclaimer, I want to be honest here. When I talk about how to make money online, I don't mean to show you the same method that is everywhere on YouTube. That is not what I mean. But even though we are having software platforms that allow you to make money on different platforms and then get paid, which most YouTubers are always repeating again and again, which includes swag bucks, affiliate platforms, and so on. All these platforms allow you to make money online. Even though we are having all this is not what I'm going to talk about, because when you spend time trying to make money on those platforms, first thing they are going to do is that they are going to collect your basic information, like your phone number, your full name, and all that, which I don't actually know what they do with it. And then beside that, after you perform the tasks, the money that you are going to get is not as much, which will help you to do anything. So for me, I see it as a waste of time being on these survey platforms. This is not what I mean by making money online. What I mean by making money online in Ghana is that you are going to be your own boss. Let me explain. After performing the task, you are going to be paid by the person you offered your services to. So in this video, I'm going to give you 2 legit ways that you can earn money. So the first one that I'm going to talk about, I just want you to search for any topic at all. For this tutorial, I'm going to use how to make money selling ebooks. So when you go to YouTube, just type the topic and then you are going to see several videos popping up. What I want you to do is to look through all the videos. One thing about YouTube is that you can filter based on the date the video was published. When you click on the filter, you can see all these here. Let's pick this month. So videos published this month that talk about how to sell ebooks. So when you look through all these videos, I want you to pick the one that interests you the most, the one that really catches you. Just go through all the videos, take your time, and then pick the one that catches you the most. So this video looks so nice, so let's pick this video. How to create an ebook fast and make money with it. So all that you have to do is to just click on the video. So when the video comes, what I want you to do is that I want you to take your time, watch the video from start to finish. Understand exactly the step-by-step process of performing that thing that you searched for. So for this one, understand the step-by-step ways of making money by selling ebooks. From what the person said in the book, when you look at the title of the video, I want you to then copy the title. So all that you have to do is to just highlight the title and then copy it. After you finish copying the title, the next thing that we are going to do is that I want you to go to your browser and then type in OpenAI. So OpenAI has created an artificial intelligence called ChatGPT. So we are going to write an article from the title that we copied. When you come to the ChatGPT, I just want you to post the title. Just ask if I want you to write an article on the title, and then you paste the title that you copied, and then ChatGPT is going to write an article, a full article on the video title for you. A step-by-step way, it is going to write everything for you. And then the reason why I ask you to watch the video is that after ChatGPT has written the article, we are not going to copy it word by word, because where we are going to post it, it is going to check for plagiarism. That is the originality of the content. So now that you have watched the video and then you know what selling ebooks and tools, or that you have to do is that you are going to reframe what ChatGPT has given us, just putting 1 or 2 words, and then we are going to post it on a platform that I'm going to show you. And then when people read it and then engage with it, you are going to be paid at least not less than 500 Ghana cedis based on the engagement that you are going to get. So all that you are going to do right now is that you are supposed to copy everything. Just take your time and then copy everything. And then after copying it, as I said, you have to check the plagiarism. That is the originality of the content if you want to check it. What I have to do is to just go to Google and then type in plagiarism checker by Grammarly, and then you have to paste what you copied from ChatGPT into it, and then it is going to run a plagiarism checker. It is going to scan it for you to know. Mostly when it scans it, it might give you a 12% or 9% plagiarism. It means that it is not original. When you post this article anywhere, you are not going to be paid because it's not original. So what you are going to do is that you are going to take your time and then you are going to put in 1 or 2 words. Since you want to earn from it, you have to take your time and then edit it for it to be your own. And then after you have finished editing it, what you have to do is to just copy it back again, and then let's go to the sites where we are going to post it. And when people read and engage with it, they are going to pay us, and the money is paid right into a mobile money account. And the place where we are going to post this article and then earn money is called blog.roladel.com. Here is where we are going to post the article. Just share your stories, opinions, life with over millions of people, and then earn money from it. that. So all that you are going to do is that you are going to sign up here, and then you are going to post the article. So when you post the article here, and then when people engage with it, you are going to be paid money into your mobile money account. So this is the first site beside this site. We also have different sites that you can post the same content to. So the other sites that you can also post your content to is called Scooper News. You can also post this article here and then. It also works just like the one that I showed you. When people interact with it, you are going to be paid right into your mobile money account. The next one that I'm going to show you is a platform called Rolad.com. So Roladel is an online platform that allows you to sell and then buy goods and then services right here. So what you are going to do is that we are going to sell our services here and then earn money. So when you go to this platform called Fiverr, I just want you to search for this thing, video captions. Just type in video captions over here, and then you type in video captions. You will see a lot of gigs, a lot of people offering this service called video captions. What they do is that they just watch videos on any platform like YouTube, and then when they watch the video, they are just going to take their time and then enter in the subtitles. Some are even charging $100 just giving their services as captions, and then some also charge low. So when you look at this person is charging $15, and then what the person is doing, that the person is going to add captions to your video, your TikTok video, and or your YouTube videos. So what you are going to do is that you are going to provide this service. So let's open it and then look at what it is all about. So this gig, this caption gig, it is simple. What the person is doing is that the person is going to create an animated caption or subtitle for your TikTok videos, YouTube shorts, and all that. And then the person is going to charge you. So this is what you are going to sell on Roladel.com. The reason why we are going to do it on Roladel is because on Fiverr here, this kind of service, we have a lot of people offering it, and then it becomes very competitive for you to find job on Fiverr, but you can find job from Roladel because we don't have many people doing this or that. You have to just click on the sell, and then you post your proposal. The proposal is free, you don't pay any money. So what you have to do is to go to category and then look through and then click on services, then create a proposal that provides caption video caption on Roladel, so that when people find you, or that you are going to do is to just go to YouTube or go to any platform, that person wants you to add a subtitle, you edit it, you put it there, and then the person pays you right into your mobile money. It's as easy as you can, and then you don't have to wait for people to contact you. As I said, all that you have to do is that you are going to contact them, and I am going to show you this strategy that you can find people and then provide your services to them. When you go to YouTube and then you click on the channel name, when you go to the About section of the channel, it talks about everything about what the channel is about. Besides that, it also gives you a business email address that you can contact the person with. So when you click to view the email address and then you click on the submit, just check the box for them to know that you are not a robot. Then you click on the submit. The email address is going to be shown. So this is a contact address for the content creator that you can contact through the email address. So you are going to just be doing this by sending messages to creators and then telling them that you are going to provide your services as a captioner for them, which a lot of YouTubers are going to like and then pay you for your service. So this is how to make real money, legit money on YouTube or watching YouTube videos. Thank you for watching this video. I just want you to like it, share it for other people to also have a look at it, and then see you in my next video.